Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this background image and how to place a custom one, which we are going to find from, maybe you have already got it in your computer, or maybe you want to take some pictures from free stock image. So let me show you one free stock image which I mostly use, which is pixels.com, and let's hit enter. As you can see, free stock photos, and if you just make a search, let's say computer, you are going to find lots of images which are free to use, and you can use any of these images. So I already have selected some images and I'm going to use them into my computer. So let me show you how to download them. If you don't know and if it's going to be helpful for you, just click on the selected image, then you will find this option, free download. You can download based on the size. As you can see, original size, which is 6000 into 4000, large size 1920 into this format. So you can select any one and then click on free download and it will be started downloading. So I already have some images. Let me show you. So these are the images which I have downloaded for using into my website. So let's just move on and let's use it. So I'm going to cross it out, and after that I have to go back here into the Blogger backend, and then I have to use this search filter again. I have to put like .jpg, and we have to find out this image, this specific image for this search term. So let's hit enter, and after that we are seeing a match here which is under profile photo. So this is meaning this photo. So I don't want to change this image right now, I want to change this one. So we have to make another enter here, or hit another enter, and it will find another image. So as you can see here, another matchup. So let's just copy this part from this https to this .jpg part. Let's copy it and let's just open it in a new tab, and here is the image that we want to replace with another image. So let's just do this. We have to go here, and actually we have to go to this page, click on the right button of your mouse and then open link in a new tab, so that this page will be stayed opened. And after that, after coming here, you have to click on this new page button, and then we have to upload an image which we want to add into our website. So let's just keep this page title blank, it's all fine. We just have to click on this image, insert image button, and then choose files. Now let's find out the image. So I want to place this image and click on open. Select the image, add selected. After that, click on the image, and then you will find these options: small, medium, large, extra large, and original size. I'd love to keep it to original size. And after that, you have to click on the right button of your mouse and you'll find this option, copy image URL. So let's copy it, and after that go back to the Blogger backend, and as we already have it selected, so let's select it again, and now we have to paste the new code which we have copied from this image. All right, so I already did this. As you can see, it has changed. And now if I just click on save theme, and let's reload this website again, and here we go, we have got a custom background image added. So that's it for this section. We have completed working on the header section of the website, and it's time to go for about me, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process in the next video. Thank you.